All right, boys and girls, here we are at our last couple of pages of our memory book. Today I wanted to work on our handprint. So not many of us have the right paint that we would use to paint our hands and press down and leave our handprint. So what we're gonna do today, and I want you guys to try your very best to use a pencil, there it is, and your own hand. Okay, and if you really have trouble with this and you're not comfortable with it, you can ask mom or somebody around the house to help you, okay? But we're gonna try it first on our own. So first I'm gonna put my hand on my paper. Remember, you're using the paper that says my handprint, okay? We're gonna trace around our hand by pressing the pencil against our skin. That's one finger, and I'm gonna keep my fingers very still and very stretched so that I don't move them around and mess up my drawing. Slowly, and then get to my thumb. Then I'm gonna close it up right by my wrist because I can't go anymore. And there you have it, my hand. So now you have your little hand here, and if you want to add some details, you can add some nails by adding a line and making a curve on top, okay? You can make your nails long or short, however you choose. And then this is where my wrist would be over here, so I'm gonna choose to make a bracelet. I'm gonna make a nice little pearl bracelet. And let's see, maybe I wanna make a ring, so I'm gonna make a cute little heart ring. How's that? There we go. And there's my hand. Next, I'm gonna take my black marker or a black crayon and I'm gonna trace over what I just did, just so we can see it a little bit better. Okay, I'm gonna go around slowly, staying on the line where my pencil was. Nice and slow, just like a car staying on the road. That's what we're doing with our marker. Keeping it on the paper. Okay, I'm gonna finish around by my thumb and close it up down here. I'm gonna jump back to where I was, okay? All right, this looks a lot better than my other drawings, guys, when we do our letter sounds. You guys know what I'm talking about. I've had some silly drawings this year. Right? This one looks pretty good. I'm pretty proud of it. All right, guys, so feel free to color it and make it your own. Just make sure you outline it and you do the very best that you can, okay, guys? All right, everybody, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.